Good morning, it's Sunday the 22nd of May and we've arrived at another car show. Danny's already in his element. What have you seen so far, Skev?
I want.
Tell everybody what you've spotted, Skev.
More than I can afford.
Yeah, but what have you actually spotted?
The Smoking the Bandit lorry.
Here, look at these. This is fantastic. Love it. I've lost him. So yeah, here he is. He's found his way over to a truck. Wow, look at that for a truck. He's got a stack envy as we speak, and he's got So Danny wants a truck. I want one of these. Don't think I'll be able to ever afford one of these. Maybe a Matchbox one. Beautiful. But I spy another jag.